Look up, guys, look up. There might be guys in front of us. So
Can you lob my back?
Mm-mm.
Don't be afraid to put your hands on me.
I'm afraid. Because you're a dolphin.
Maybe
Yeah,
bus
far.
station, it was pretty close.
Yeah, maybe bus station.
Oh yeah, there are
Might
two
be,
guys
yeah.
bus station. Yeah.
Shoot them.
Oh, okay. No way, clap them.
You can check on your.
Man, I killed those players. I'll go to loot them. What the fuck? Man,
You kill them.
I killed both of them, man.
I like Gucci shoes.
What would you do for a Gucci purse?
I'll show you your boob. Just one though. Just one tit.
Only one boob. Are you retarded?
Listen, I need 2 purses. Then you'll get to see both boobs.
What
Yo,
are you doing
gold
with two
digger,
purses?
Gold digger.
Fucking gold digger.
Raizo, if I buy you a purse, will you show me both of your boobs?
Yes, baby.
You're a cheap little bitch, right, sir? Come on. You gotta make him pay for it. You can't just give him your boob. Yeah, you gotta respect yourself. Two purses, 1 titty per purse.
What's
One
the
titty
price
per
for the
purse.
vajay?
Come on, look back to where we came from. People are shooting back there, okay?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm on your right on this little mountain here.
Okay, but you're looking back to where
Yeah,
we
I'm
came from,
scouting
right?
the area.
It's in front of us, Eric. I need to take this shit out.
What?
No, this is me, you fucking retard!
Come on, I didn't shoot you. It was another player. You were on the left side, right?
No. Kamo went not towards where we came from, but the other side.
Oh shit.
Somebody's running close to me.
I'm nading.
They're on the beach, right next to me. Can you please look?
Yeah. I killed one. Hello there. I killed both of them. Oh, he's on the beach. He's on the beach. I got him. No, I got him now.
Herman is here.
Yep, Sturman's here.
I killed Sturman. I killed Sturman.
There's one
There's
more.
2 guys, 2 guys. Yeah.
No, Raizo, you killed me, you piece of shit.
No way. Who?
Oh my god! Wow! Phew, I need one more kill for the Epsilon. Fuck no.
Maybe it contains something useful. Never mind, I got it.
Oh, I killed him. Sniping with my eyes closed, baby. Not even close, man.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine.